Dave Ewan, this is my 14 JKU Sandman. We're about to wheel.
Awesome, let's go wheeling.
This is my JKU 2014 Vitamin C. I've got a Dana 44 Ultimate on there now, 456 gears, 4-inch Terraflix lift, Adams drive shaft, and so many more other custom bennies like skull crushers here. So that's my baby.
Nice, it's beautiful. Can't wait to see it run. Let's go wheeling.
Passenger, a little bit more. Come on. Come on. Looking good. Come on, I got you. Need to back off and then reapproach. Go for it.
Oh, it smells good.
Smelling napalm in the morning. That's a rear tire.
Tell me when to stop and say low.
You're good. You're good. You're good.
Now?
Yeah.
Straight?
Yep. Come on. Try to cut it a little bit. All right, come on. Try to climb that. All right, you're sliding off. That's what we're expecting. Come on. You're good. Keep on getting it. Keep on getting it. Keep on getting it. Nice, nice. Let's shoot off that way. Watch that tree. Not bad for a girl, just saying. Nicely done. Good job, Rudy. Nice, Dave. Oh,
nervous, man.
And you're in a manual too. All right.
I hate manual.
No, not at all. Dave, let's go this way, bud. All right.
Thank you, bro. Start climbing. I need some. Hold on. Somebody on the passenger side, please. I'm moving.
Hold on, Ruby. I want some eyes on that side too. All right, go ahead. Nice and slow. Come, passenger. All right, come on. Number 2.
What?
Number 2 over today. You're good. Now, I want to try something different with you. Go driver. I'm going to try to get your back tire up. Move that forward a little bit. Yeah, that's fine. As you start to move, cut her driver. I want to try to get your back tire up.
Not gonna happen.
There you go, give it another little bump.
Hold on, I got lockers. Hold on.
Uh-oh. You just fart.
It was all for you, Jeff.
Go for it. Here we go.
Nah.
Just missed it. Cut his driver. That's all right. You're off. Come on.
Well, she's not entirely okay. Yeah, she dropped. Well, missed that one.
2 for 2. That's good. All right, nice and easy. Watch out. Are you in low? It's not easy on the stick, dude.
Nah, it sucks on a stick.
Good. Yep, you're lined up good.
Try not to gun it.
Yeah, that's a good idea. A little more.
Yeah.
You're going over, dude.
Uh-oh.
Oh, you're a team. You're off your tires, bro. Hold on, stop. I want a picture of that. You got 2 pictures on it.
FM99, right on time.
I know. That's awesome.
All right, brother. You might. Let's see if we can get your rear tire up and over.
I'm going for it.
Yep.
He's off.
There you go, brother. Sweet.
That looked fun.
All right, Ruby, thanks for joining us out here today at the Proving Grounds. So, what got you into Jeeping?
You know, honestly, I've always wanted a Jeep. It was what I wanted. It was the vehicle. And Dad, who's sitting there eating chips, he actually works for Southern, and we ended up stopping in one day just to look. And sure enough, the salesman, let's take the top down. Let's do this, leave that. And it was a great day. Got in the vehicle, drove down the road. I was like, oh, freedom.
Sold. Done.
Sold. So I drive home, and my husband's like, what is that? And I'm like, it's my new Jeep. So that's how I ended up with the Jeep.
Okay, awesome. What was the first mod you did to it?
Actually, I did side steps because I'm not exactly tall, to make sure I got in there okay.
Okay.
And then after that, it was front, back bumper. I originally had a 3-inch lift, 35s, new wheels. And then after that, it was hay, did sand.
Okay.
And I was great with that. And then I went to Uwari, started climbing the rocks. And then after that, I was hooked on rocks. I love sand, but I was hooked on rocks.
Okay.
So now I have done a lot more mechanical upgrades on her. So,
Okay. All
yeah.
right.
So she's not a Sport anymore. She's actually more like a Rubicon. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So I did a Dana 44 Ultimate in the front. I have 4, 5, 6 gears.
All right.
4-inch Terraflex Alpine lift.
Okay.
I have
Falcons.
yeah, and I have of course I went custom on a lot of stuff. I have custom Skull Crusher inner fenders. I have Adams drive shafts. I went with the heavy duty ones underneath.
Okay.
And then let's see what else I've got a MagnaFlow rock crawler exhaust. So I got rid of the muffler in the back, so when I'm rock crawling, I'm not slamming it up against the rock when I'm climbing back up.
Okay, smart.
I have Dirty Life bead locks.
Okay.
Those are fantastic. Anybody who wants them, recommend. There's a little maintenance that goes with that.
Okay, interesting. Good to know.
Yeah, and yeah, I have a front electric locker and
okay.
in Eaton, and I have an ARB rear locker, and I also have onboard air, and then there's other things like that I've done. But
I see the
yeah.
Smitty-built winch.
yes, Smitty built winch.
That's the one we just got.
Yes, they're fantastic, by the way. I have used it a couple of times, so we're good. And yeah, oh, dog's
She
gone. And heavy duty steer smart front and rear track bars, Falcons, just all sorts of stuff.
Now, how'd you come up with the vitamin C name?
You know, I'm a beach girl at heart.
Me too.
And I saw a saying, it's like I need vitamin C, and it just like as soon as I said, I was like, that's it, that's her name.
Awesome.
So yeah, so.
Okay. What was your favorite out here at the Proving Grounds today?
Big Daddy.
Big Daddy,
Big
which you did
Daddy's my
3
favorite.
times and you got over.
Yes, Big Daddy is
She's
my
in
favorite.
the crew.
Yes, and surprisingly, the most challenging thing was the 300-point turn I did that one time in between the trees.
Yeah,
So
your
that
dad was
fun
saying
part.
something about where it was hitting your differentials, so you didn't have as much turning radius.
Well, yeah, I have an aluminum tie rod, which I bought. It's aftermarket, but the big
Okay.
challenge is that with that big diff cover on the Dana 44, it was actually, when I did a full turn, it was tapping the front, so we had to put
Okay.
some locks on the ends here to help keep it from doing a full turn. So yeah, I've got a new tie rod coming, so we'll get rid of that
Okay.
problem.
Next time, right?
Yeah,
Hey, you
next
got all
time.
the skills though. You did
I'm
it.
trying. I love it. I love it. This was a great time today. So
Awesome. Well,
I really
thank you.
appreciate you inviting me out. And
This is
I think-
Dad.
Yes, this is Dad, Eddie. That's my dad. He's my partner in crime. Anytime I go wheeling, Dad has a Jeep too.
That's right.
So he has a Wrangler.
Dad.
So, but
Awesome.
yeah. So, but this is a great place, and I really appreciate you guys bringing me out. It's a lot of fun, and yep. And Jeff, our spotter, was fantastic, along with everybody else here. So, I really appreciate it. I'll definitely mention it to Jeep Expeditionary Club.
Awesome,
And
thank
see
you.
if maybe we can get them to come out here.
Yes.
So I think they'd have a great time.
Well, good. Thank
So-
you. We like to hear that.
Yes,
So-
awesome. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
I
thank you for
appreciate
coming.
it.
And for all those of you at home, check out W2WParks.com to get the vote for obstacles, sign up for the club, or pre-purchase passes. And you can check us out on Facebook at W2W Proving Grounds.
Driver's side.
Oh, taking a bath.
Get up there. Get up there. Good job. King of the hill.
Queen of the Hill.
These trees. Ruben, cut it hard this way. Watch this. Alright, come on. Alright, nice and easy. Getting ready to come down your driver. Thinking faster at the same time. Yeah. Cut it hard this way. Hold on.
Yeah, me and that tree are best.
Alright, hold on while you watch out. I want to back up while you got your tires pulled off. Alright. Alright, come on.
Nice.
It's on camera, Brett. This tree?
2 cameras. That is staying in.
Alright, come on. My big dog's running.
Walk it on off, Sam, man. Walk it off.
cut into it. A little bit more driver quite a bit. All right, straighten her out. You're good. There you go, good job. Go around to your left. Good job, sis. And go to your left.